Hey, what up guys, it's Alter Tech back again with a new exciting video. In today's video, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I'm going to be unboxing this one because I actually want to go ahead and wear this to work tomorrow. So I've been using the Samsung Galaxy 5 Pro for over a year now. And the thing I like about it is that it had this titanium rim around it for, pretty good protection. And it was at an indent, meaning if you were to like just hit it face down on a flat surface or something, dropped it, it wasn't going to hit the screen. It was going to be protected by this ring. I do have a little tiny nick on it, but for the amount of times I've hit it, there isn't really much damage. And I really do like this watch, but I've seen so many of my coworkers rocking this watch. And first, when I first saw it, I was like, "What is it?" And I got to find out it's a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And why am I upgrading it? I do like this watch. Number one, the trade-in value of this watch was pretty high, so I got this for about 230 bucks, and I couldn't pass that up. The retail is like what, over 699, 799. It's pretty expensive. So why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and check it out. I do have the Galaxy Watch 4 44 millimeter for a size comparison. I was really interested in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. It has the same screen size as the Galaxy Watch Ultra. I was trying to figure out whether or not this would have been a much greater value. Of course, this is much cheaper than this one. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and I think it comes with LTE only. And there is an IMEI number on the back of this, and I don't want to expose that number, so I'm just going to go ahead and rip off this tab and open it like this. And let's see what we get. I'm not sure if you guys use Rakuten. Rakuten also gives you some cash back, so you get about like 15 or 10% off depending on what day it is. And here we go. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I've been telling everyone that this looks better than the Apple Watch Ultra. I think if you're gonna, I'm not really, you guys can make the argument whether or not Samsung copy who or whatever. But like I said, I've seen coworkers with the Samsung Galaxy, I mean the iPhone, Apple Ultra Watch, and I've seen this. This caught my eye. The Ultra never really caught my eye. There's just something about the shape and I guess it was just, it looks bigger. Just something about this just makes it stand out. So, you know what, let's go ahead and, rip off this tab. Shipping was pretty quick. Of course, this was a pre-order, so mine's might have came a little bit later than others. And here we go, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And I am upgrading from this to this. So I love the orange accents. I had a Fossil watch once. I think I forgot the name of it, what model it was, but it had like orange accents just like this. That was my first watch I actually bought for myself when I got my first job. This reminds me just like that. I'm a big fan of that orange color. Looking pretty good. And you have all those sensors back over there. And let's see if I could turn this on real quick. So power this on. Um, to be honest, like, right, this is a nice rugged watch, a great everyday watch. If you're in the construction and stuff, you're definitely gonna, enjoy this watch. The battery life has been great. I'd say I would charge it every 2 or 3 days. I made a video on this, a review. That review still stands. I still have a good time using this watch. And the thing is, I don't really use all the features. I don't use all the features. I think it's a size thing. I just don't like, having to tap at these little tiny things, especially when texting. I'm hoping that this watch, which is bigger, should give me a more nicer experience when it comes to like, just using the watch as is. So this is an expensive watch. I'm not sure if I should put a screen protector on this. That's not the rim. It's not that high as this one. Crap. That's one thing I kind of miss on this one. The protection. And if you're gonna ding this up, um, I mean it is titanium as well. That's one thing I want to look at. But if you're gonna hit it at that corner, that angle, this is obviously the much better one when it comes to protection. But this is obviously much better when it comes to the screen size. And I think the battery life is also much better on this one as well. And I do like the bands on this one, but then again, you could probably go on eBay or Amazon and buy some kind of like knockoff one that looks kind of similar to this, which is something I probably could have tried to do. But like I said, I've seen my coworkers using this Galaxy Watch Ultra, and it's hard to. Every day I see it, I'm like, whoa, what is that? So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to go ahead and snap this on. I should have. Okay, I didn't read any of the instructions. I'm sure there's probably like something you need to do over here. You're supposed to like slide it in or something. Just. Oh, wow. Wow, this is actually the. No way. That was super easy. Okay. Mind you, I didn't watch any videos on this on how to do it. I'm just looking at it and there's like pretty much no other way but to like just push it full in. Um, let's go and see how this is. Nice. Wow, that was easier than I expected. And guys, I don't have a Galaxy 24 Ultra. I have the 23 Ultra. I'm still a big fan of it, man. Still a big fan of that Galaxy S23 Ultra with that 10x optical uh, camera. And here we go. So some of you guys, I see you guys had the white variant. Some of you guys had the other colorway. I forgot which one it was, the black or the silver. But here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So my skin tone is brown. It doesn't really pop as much as it does with my coworkers who have a much lighter skin tone. Oh crap. I guess that time in Texas really yeah, I got a little tan from Texas. That's all right. But just do a little comparison between this one on this hand and see how that looks. If you guys are thinking about upgrading, I would upgrade if I had the if you have the money, I would recommend it. Or if you're trying to like just if you still enjoy this watch, go ahead and save your money. But that pre-ordering deal was just too hard to pass up. I mean, you're getting a faster processor, better battery life, bigger display, better sensors. There you go. Okay, this is the old Ultra Tech, and then we got the new Ultra Tech. The my boy at work today told me this is the Ben 10. What cartoon was that? The Ben 10 cartoon. We had the big watch. This is it, man. If you want to go out and stuff, man, people are definitely going to see it. It looks rugged. Um, you know, it's a big boy watch right over here. And yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and set this up. And this has been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And this, just for a size comparison, this is the Galaxy Watch 4. This is like the biggest size they had. And just do a side by side. I think this still has juice in it. Let me see if it does. See if I can turn it on. No, I think this is dead. But check it out over here. It's like that Power Rangers watch. I mean, like I'm a geek, so when I see stuff like this, bro, I'm just attracted to it. This is the corporate watch, and now we got the Ben 10 Power Ranger watch right over here, ready to go out back in Texas, out in the range. Over here, corporate lifestyle. Which one do you guys prefer? Let me know down in the comment section below. And this one, the thing I liked about this one was that green colorway. Very nice. This might actually, uh, this might actually look better on me than this orange one. But I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments. What do you guys think about this watch? Does it look good on me? I think it depends on what I'm wearing. That's a big factor too. This one, corporate Ultra Tech. Anyways, guys, this has been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. If you guys have any questions or comments, there's some things you guys want me to go out and test out, let me know. And with this watch, what do I normally use it for? I don't really use it that often. I use it to track the time. I use it to find my phone. If I can't find my phone, I use it to track my running distance. I tried to download some new apps on this phone. I don't really use Samsung Pay on this. We have Shazam and we have Spotify. I don't really use all those things because I tend to have my phone with me. But since I paid the price and got this bigger display, which is easier on my eyes, and it should make it easier for me to like text and stuff, it feels much nicer and smoother. I wonder if they have like a different special coating on this because this one, or maybe I just gotta wipe down this one. Nah, this one just feels like smaller, very much smaller. It doesn't look that small, but uh, this one feels like what you want to use when you're trying to use a smartwatch. So, anyways, guys, hit me up down below. Hope you guys have a great and blessed day. It's Alter Tech signing out. Take care. Peace.